Hey guys, what's happening? How to find and access TikTok Shop. So in order to access TikTok Shop, hit your profile icon at the bottom right. And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just find the marketplace, right? Or you're gonna find your orders here. Just hit it. And you'll be going inside the TikTok Shop. If you didn't find the button, right, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and update TikTok for the latest version in order to access all the new features, right? So check your Google Play or App Store. If that still didn't work out, go ahead to your settings on your phone, head General and iPhone Storage, right? And try to locate TikTok, right? And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just hit upload and double click to delete the app, but keep the documents in data, right? And from the same button, right, you're gonna be able to see reinstall app button in the upload app instead of upload app. Just hit it and you're gonna be able to reinstall it with your information intact, right? If that still didn't work out, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go back to your screen, hold TikTok, hit remove, and double click to remove the app and reinstall it again from your App Store or Google Play, and that will force TikTok to show the button. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.